Your entire AI content pipeline is about to destroy your brand tomorrow. Last March, Google's Core Update obliterated 45% of AI-generated clickbait from SERPs. Sites built on scale over substance saw organic traffic crashes up to 90%, Systrix confirms. Amazon banned mass AI drivel on Kindle Direct Publishing, capping uploads to 3 books daily. CMI shows 72% top B2B marketers favor one white paper over 10 generic blog posts. Gartner warns that by 2026, 60% of CMOs will deploy content authenticity tools. News Corp just landed a $250 million licensing deal with OpenAI for human-vetted data. A Nature study warns model collapse kicks in after 5 to 7 generations of AI training. Epoch AI predicts human-written text supplies dry up by 2028, killing naive LLM pipelines. EU's AI Act demands clear labeling of synthetic content or imposes fines up to €35 million. LinkedIn fights a 20% surge in AI spam with human-in-the-loop checks for top creators. Microsoft's Work Trend Index finds 68% of knowledge workers bogged down by low-grade AI noise. Group M says premium ad slots on human-verified sites trade at a 30% price premium in 2026. Forrester predicts brands will hike human-led creative budgets by 25% to escape AI sameness. Apple's new on-device AI framework rejects LLM bloat in favor of private, context-aware processing. Scaling content used to be a moat. Now it's a liability, driving you off the SERPs. The old demand media playbook died when low-quality glut collapsed CPMs and crushed advertiser trust. Today, Google's 45% purge of AI trash isn't an anomaly, it's the new standard. Systrix reports AI-first blogs hemorrhaged up to 90% traffic post-update, no recovery path. Amazon's KDP cap on daily uploads killed the flood of auto-generated pulp on Kindle. The paradox of choice for readers becomes paradox of invisibility for your content pile. Economic theory warns garbage in, garbage out. Endless AI training loops amplify the rot 100-fold. Investors once bet on volume. Now they funnel cash into startups, vetting every word. See how OpenAI paid News Corp $250 million for clean data instead of scraping more of Reddit. Brands that skimped on quality watch ad budgets evaporate against inscrutable AI noise. High-volume AI spam once fooled everyone. Now human review stamps carry a premium. Your reputation is measured in trust, not word count. Scarcity builds value, not saturation. By 2026, EU fines will shred non-compliance with AI labeling rules. Brutal enforcement incoming. Ask yourself, who's going to pay premium CPMs on your faceless AI farm? Scale alone can't save you. Quality is the only moat left in content marketing. Train your LLM on AI trash and watch reality slip away in 5 generations. That's not sci-fi. It's what Oxford, Cambridge, and Toronto researchers documented in Nature. Once models collapse, every output warps further from truth, compounding like a virus. Epoch AI warns that human-written text reserves run dry between 2026 and 2028. When raw datasets vanish, naive scraping turns entire LLM ecosystems into echo chambers. Curated synthetic data is the only antidote, mixing human insight with machine scale. Microsoft calls this on-device quality over cloud bloat, a sea change in AI design. Apple's intelligence framework nails private, context-aware processing without feeding every token to the cloud. Your next LLM partner must deliver clean data pipelines, not endless white noise. Remember, free datasets come at hidden costs: bias, hallucinations, brand erosion. Quality trumps quantity. A distilled model beats a bloated one every single time. Look at ChatGPT's plugin Pivot. Human vetting after scale showed the rot was unstoppable. Case study: Anthropic shifted from scraping to curated sources after seeing flat adoption curves. If you train on trash, you'll get trash. That's the GIGO rule amplified by AI. The days of endless scraping are over. Invest in data stewardship or perish. Users can smell AI rehashes a mile away. Generic outreach smells like desperation. Zignal Labs finds 58% of consumers distrust brands sending boilerplate AI outreach. That distrust shaves 12% off your NPS. High trust equals high margin. CMOs are awake. Gartner says authenticity tech will be table stakes by 2026. LinkedIn's human-in-the-loop crackdown halted a 20% spike in AI automated spam comments. Your internal communications decay too. Low-rent AI summaries kill meeting productivity. Microsoft reports 75% of knowledge workers use AI daily, but 68% say it actually distracts them. When trust evaporates, no algorithm can resurrect your brand's credibility. Human-led creative is your best shield. A gut-check narrative beats any AI spin. Forrester forecasts a 25% budget surge into human-led creative in 2025. Invest in storytellers, not prompt engineers. Story sells, contrived spin repels. Case study: Patagonia's authentic campaigns cut through the noise where algorithmic ads failed. The cost of rebuilding trust is 10 times the cost of losing it. Stop asking AI to be your brand voice. That's how you lose your soul. Trust is non-fungible. It can't be mass-produced by algorithms. Human-verified sites will soon command 30% higher ad rates, says GroupM by 2026. Advertisers flee the AI swamp for genuine context and editorial gates. Forrester's 25% bump in human-led creative spend is bleeding-edge brands playing defense. Corporate giants like Nike bet on artisans, not AI factories, for their brand language. Amazon's KDP throttling showed platforms can enforce quality by design, not just policy. Podcasters, YouTubers, authors, your credibility is in your voice, not your word count. Ad tech budgets shift toward human-in-the-loop checks that guarantee brand safety. Scarcity of top-tier creators will drive CPMs north, while generic auctions decline. CMO roundtables buzz about paying writers per insight, not per thousand words. See how top agencies layer AI drafts with veteran editors to sharpen brand voice. The result: higher conversions, stronger loyalty, and a moat no bot can breach. Economic Theory 101: Scarcity raises value. Quality is your new scarcity lever. Investors recognize this. Human-led startups now attract valuation premiums over pure AI plays. If you're not paying a human editor, you're building content on a shaky foundation. Quality-first creators will rise. The rest will vanish into the AI abyss. We're at an inflection point. AI can empower or erase your creative identity. Flood the web with AI trash, and you're building a digital ghost town. Opt for curated quality, and you'll own a community hungry for real insight. Half the value in content marketing comes from strategic scarcity, not endless supply. Invest in editors, fact-checkers, and domain experts. They're your secret weapons. AI tools should augment humans, not replace them in shaping your narrative. Brands ignoring this shift will find themselves trading on AI fumes. History favors the few who mastered quality when others worshipped quantity. Your next move: audit every piece of AI content you've ever published. Purge the junk. Elevate the narratives that earn real engagement and trust. Remember, Google doesn't reward volume anymore. It kneecaps low-value farms instantly. Alexa gaps in your strategy. Fill them with human imagination, not more LLM prompts. Time's up. The AI revolution will favor those who invest in real craftsmanship. What's your choice? To sink beneath the AI tide or to stand out forever? Are you ready to make AI an assistant, not your only storyteller?